LangGraph orchestrates stateful computation through a directed graph where nodes transform shared state via typed dictionaries, enabling sequential data processing with explicit dependency edges. We'll examine how a StateGraph initializes with a typed state schema, registers nodes as state-transforming functions, and establishes a linear execution path from the start marker through two processing nodes before compilation and invocation.
From LangGraph, graph import start StateGraph. From typing extensions, import type dict. Class state type dict. Text, SDR. Def node state, state dict. Return text, state and text plus a. Def node b state, state dict. Return text, state and text plus b. Graph equals StateGraph state. Graph add node node a. No. Graph add node node b, node b. Graph add edge start, node a. Graph add edge node a, node b. Print graph, compile invoke text. Hash text, ob.
This code demonstrates a linear stateful workflow using LangGraph's StateGraph. The pattern creates a directed graph where nodes process shared state sequentially, with each node reading and modifying the state before passing it to the next node. Here, Node A and Node B are simple string processors that append characters to the shared text field, connected in series via add edge. The StateGraph architecture enables explicit control flow while maintaining shared state, which is useful for workflows requiring sequential processing with state accumulation. This approach provides clarity in execution order compared to implicit chaining, though it introduces slight overhead in graph construction. The linear topology shown here is the simplest case, but the framework supports more complex branching and merging patterns. The design choice to use a typed dict for state ensures type safety while allowing flexible state evolution, balancing strictness with adaptability. This pattern is particularly effective for pipelines where intermediate results need to be preserved and transformed incrementally, though developers should consider the memory implications of carrying state through multiple nodes in production scenarios. Let's break it down.
From LangGraph, graph import start StateGraph.
Imports the start, constant, and StateGraph class from the LangGraph library. Start represents the entry point in a graph workflow, while StateGraph provides the foundation for building stateful graph structures where nodes communicate through shared state.
From typing extensions, import type dict.
Imports typed dict from typing extensions for creating dictionary types with static type checking.
Class state type dict. Text, SDR.
Defines a state class using typed dict with a single required field, text, of type SDR. This establishes a type-annotated dictionary structure where text must be a string, enabling static type checking for state management in the graph.
Def node state, state dict.
Defines a function named node that takes a state parameter of type state and returns a dictionary. The function signature indicates it's designed to work within a LangGraph StateGraph, where nodes process and return state data as dictionaries.
Return text, state and text plus a.
Returns a dictionary with a text key containing the current state's text value concatenated with the string a.
Def node b state, state dict.
Defines a function named nodeb that takes a state parameter of type state and returns a dictionary. The function signature indicates it's designed to work within a LangGraph StateGraph, where nodes process shared state data and return their results as dictionaries.
Return text, state and text plus b.
Returns a dictionary with a text key containing the current state's text value concatenated with the letter b.
Graph equals StateGraph state.
Creates a StateGraph instance using the state class, initializing a graph structure where nodes will communicate through shared state. The graph variable now holds this new StateGraph object ready for node and edge definitions.
Graph add node node.
Adds a node named node to the graph, associating it with the function or object referenced by the variable node. This establishes node as a named vertex in the graph structure that can participate in state-based communication with other nodes.
Graph add node node B.
Adds a node named node B to the graph, associating it with the node B function or object. This node will participate in the graph's state-based communication system, where nodes read and write to a shared state.
Graph add edge start node.
Adds a directed edge from the start node to the node named node in the graph. This establishes a connection where execution can flow from the graph's entry point to node.
Graph add edge node B.
Adds a directed edge from node to node B in the graph, establishing a connection where node B can be reached from node.
Print graph, compile invoke text.
Compiles the graph into an executable form and immediately invokes it with an empty text input, printing the result. The compile method transforms the graph definition into a runnable workflow, and invoke executes it with the provided input dictionary containing an empty string for the text key. This implementation showcases LangGraph's stateful computation model through a linear workflow where nodes sequentially transform shared state. The StateGraph initializes with a type state schema using typed dict, ensuring type safety while allowing flexible state evolution. Nodes like node and node B operate as pure functions that read and modify the shared state dictionary, with each node's output becoming the next node's input. The explicit edge definitions between start, node A, and node B create a clear execution path, demonstrating how LangGraph's directed graph structure enables controlled sequential processing. This approach provides transparency in execution order compared to implicit chaining, though it requires explicit graph construction. The final compilation and invocation shows how the graph transforms into an executable workflow that processes the initial empty state through both nodes, accumulating the ob result. The design balances strict typing with adaptability, making it suitable for pipelines where intermediate results need incremental transformation. While this example shows a simple linear flow, the pattern scales to more complex workflows with branching and merging, all while maintaining the shared state paradigm that defines LangGraph's architecture.
A string born empty gathers letters like pebbles, each node adding its weight until the path becomes the word.